using the GoPro right now to record, but we finally got it after a whole year. We finally get the car. Let me go get the keys right here. Actually, we got the keys and everything. Wearing the Crocs because your boy is rocking them. They fixed that bumper that was messed up under. I don't know if you guys can see it. I literally just pointing and shooting. We took out the T from when they had them. Got a new light, lenses, things. I don't know what they're called. I'm still a noob. But yeah, it's been a while since I recorded, but that was the reason, because my car, I didn't have a car, so what was the point of a car channel? I got new tires from the old ones. I still need to clean it up. I have not cleaned it up since I got it last Friday. There's bird poop all over it. It's repainted, a big thing. It got repainted. Oh, you can see my shadow. Hello, guys. Yeah, it's lit. I need to clean it up. They sealed up the where it was leaking from. Let's see, what else did they do? Oh, I got my license plate. We're gonna blur that out. It's not leaking from the here either. New tires, everything. I still need to take off the window tint. That's pretty much it. What else? Oh yeah, let's have a look inside. How about that? Hopefully it's not windy, because that'll be bad. Oh god, it's not. Alright, there it is. Okay, I locked it. Alright, I did vacuum it. As you guys can see, we got still gray interior, but I think I want to repaint it black and do stuff with it actually. And while it is actually harder than I thought it would be, but yeah, I'm gonna keep the seats probably and just put the seat cover over them, because the seats cost a lot of money to change. The interior looks pretty good, but I want to get just paint all this black, just have a black interior with some red outlines, or red what's it called, I don't even know, red detail, I don't know. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take off this cloth because I don't like it and put red instead. And I was gonna get a wheel cover, but I just like the way, I just like it, so I'm just gonna cut this off and just have that bottom one. And that's pretty much it. I mean, little love tab right there. But yeah, the steering wheel's pretty good. I just gotta fix it up. The horn doesn't work or anything. It does have a radio, but I took it out because yeah, I don't know why I took it out. That door still doesn't open, so I gotta fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing a lot of things to this car. That's the reason why I wasn't uploading. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And plastic dips on parts of the car, like the side mirrors and the gas cap lid thing. And that's pretty much it. Let's have a look in the oh yeah, the hood. Oh, there it is. Alrighty. But yeah, it drives pretty fast. It's a really nice car. I really have no problems with it right now since I fixed it. But it's pretty good, yeah. That's how it looks. That's a little damage right there. Well, we can fix that later down the road. I've got a new battery, oh yeah, and some new, got a new air filter, a new carburetor, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna go to a store later today so I can buy the paint, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be doing more videos pretty soon. I just haven't had time with my other gaming channel, but yeah, I will do Pikachu, that little Pikachu right there. But yeah, I will be uploading again. Whenever I start buying stuff, Juan or Jason will come and help me, because it's gonna be hard to do this by myself, especially since I don't know any of this. But yeah, that's literally the reason why I haven't been uploading. But yeah, I'll get back straight to it after I edit this video, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, my GoPro is getting super hot. I'm holding it with my hand, and it has a sunroof. I don't know if I told you guys. Yeah, I did. In the video, I literally like came out of the sunroof. But yeah, I will definitely do stuff with it. I plan to have it ready by school, and we got like a month or two left before we go back to school. So yeah, I'll see you guys on next week.